The Think Together lesson in the literacy book includes a cooperative learning activity where learners can practice collaborating in a structured way. In this unit, the cooperative learning activity is Round Table. A group of students get together. Where does the speaker's friend live, and what does he do? What sort of food can the speaker and his brother eat? Describe a journey you're going to make to visit someone in the future. You should say who the person is and where he or she lives, where you're going to stay, and explain what might. In Unit 5, there's a story. Click Unit 5, then click on the words pages 36 to 43 to open this unit. Click these arrows to go to the previous or the next page. If your students are going to speak about a complex or less familiar topic, then they may benefit from some time to research it. Ask them to do this research with a smartphone if they have one, either in the classroom or at home. It makes me wonder if the reason that these lower order thinking skills tend to be assessed more is because they're easier to measure or perceived to be easier to measure. And therefore, if we want to point at a learner and say they have learned something, it's easier to count up, oh, they remembered 5 out of 6 facts, than it is to count up or measure they were able to evaluate, they were able to analyze. Is that your experience or your understanding as well?
100%. 100%.